Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how wells are drilled. The presentation is divided in four points. Introduction, drilling project phases, drilling steps, and I will present one example and the conclusion. First of all, have you ever seen anything like this? I think Arabics have seen it before. Anyhow, let me tell you that if you see any structure like this or tower, it's because some company or somebody is drilling a well. So, maybe you are wondering what is drill or what is drill. Drill is no more than open a hole into the ground. It's a dig a hole, and it depends of the characteristic of the well. So, one important thing is when and where the first oil well was drilled. It was drilled in Pennsylvania by Erwin Drake in 1859. So this was the first economical drill well. Economical well. Ever since, many wells have been drilled in the world. So, what is needed to drill a well? I mean with this, which tools are needed to drill a well? It's like use a drill in the ground. So, I need first of all a drill bit. It is used to open a hole. It is used to go deeper and deeper. And the material depends of the ground. Maybe you have to use one that is stronger than another, because in the superficial stages you use one devil bit. Also, you need drill pipes. It is like tubing. You need tubing to go deeper and deeper into the ground, and you connect the first drill pipe with the bit, and you go into the ground, and you can be connected with the superficie.
With what?
With the superficie. With the
supervisor?
supervisor.
At the top?
Yeah, with the top of the. So you need also drilling rigs. There are many kinds or many types of rigs. Maybe in land you need the drilling rig land, and in offshore you need a drilling rigs. That structure are like one tower or like the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Also, you need drilling fluids like muds. You need this kind of fluid or liquid to lubricate the ground, because it's too hard to go into the ground. So it is very important, because with fluid you can control the temperature of the ground, because how you know when you go deeper, it's more hot the temperature of the ground. So it depends of the characteristic, and it has chemical liquids. So now I want to tell you that there are different companies like this PDVSA, Shell, HP, Exxon, Chevron, Texaco, and even Aramco. But the drill is basically the same way. The difference is that there are many different or many types of well. I have some example, and it depends of the ground, and if the government regulation. because some countries have like the government says like you can drill with this fluid or you can go deeper from the depth because it's depend of the government of the country. So there are different, there is one methodology that we call BCDEE. This methodology consists in visualize, conceptualize, define, execute, and evaluate. The main idea of this methodology is to keep the money or to keep the drilling very rentable, like very good in price. So there are two stages that you have to follow to drill a well. First planning and another construction. In planning you have 3 stages or 3 phases that are visualization, conceptualization, and definition. These three are before you drill a well. After that you can move on into construction of the well. So you have to make your execution easily when you drill a well, and after that, when you finish, you have to make the evaluation of your operation. So let's move on to visualization. In this phase, many disciplines, different people with different points of view have to stay together and say this project could be well or not for the company. This is like identifies the project. So there are different disciplines like drilling, computation, and production, and geosciences. It's like geophysics, geology, reservoir, and petrophysics. They study the ground and see, okay, will be very good this way. After that, we go into the conceptualization. In this phase, we design different types of well. We'll see if it's possible or not, where should be the well, and very important, the estimate of the drilling time of production, because in the oil business, the time is money. So we can design in order to make a good time. After that, we are going to definition. This part is very important because you develop the best option and you estimate the BPD. BPD are barrels per day, your production in barrels. So everybody is working a lot, and after that we get the decision or approve the design. So after that we are going to make the well. So in this stage, in execution phase, we have to follow the perforation or the drill. Faster. Okay. We have to follow the drill in real time. In real time, we have to see what happened, the real condition, and we need to, I think we must follow designs versus real process. We apply the design. We have to apply the design. Now I'm going to explain you one drilling step, one example. First of all, we have to put into the ground conductor casing. It is for keep the safe in the superficie. So after that, we drill the superficial phase with a bit until one depth that we need. We use one bit bigger than the another go down with the casing. Casing are used to protect the wall of the well to keep safe. After that, we put cement. After that, we drill the other face. In this part, after that, we go down with register to verify and report size and temperature in the. After that, we go down with the next casing and put the cement. After that, we drill the other face and see the temperature and where is the oil, in which extract. After we go down with one tool that is used to open or put bigger spline. After that, we make another register to make the capacity of the well, because we are going to put gravel pack to prevent that the land go into the ground. So we make the gravel pack. We pump this gravel. This is one illustration. Now it's almost finished. We have the well. So it is ready to production. We put the tubing and the pump to catch the oil and go to the barrel. After that, we have evaluation. We have to see what happened in the well, what I designed and what was the real condition. We evaluate and learn for future projects. So I have been presenting like the well project, first stage, second stage, or phases. And in each stage we have to do many things. I think the drilling execution is the stressful stage, because we have to be very careful and follow everything according to the plan. So thank you. If you have any question, I try to explain.